there's an address truly elite. A destination chosen by the discerning. A stretch of land bordered by a profusion of nature. A space that makes life an unending celebration. This is your personal invitation to live up every moment of life like never before. To be pampered by nature, luxury and exclusivity. Concept Ambience, the name that summons to mind a 25+ years legacy of architectural excellence. The name that's behind many favored commercial and residential properties that grace Hyderabad's skyscape. Presents yet another masterpiece, the Botanica. Endowed with all the finer touches that have made Whisper Valley Ambience Fort, Ambience Anthem, Ambience Canton, the Neighborhood, the Walden, Casa Estabana, bestsellers. Concept Ambience tryst with excellence has continued uninterrupted for over 2 decades. Constant evolution, upgradation and dedication has made Concept Ambience a bestseller in every way. A fact vouched for by the 1,000 clients that Concept Ambience projects are home to, people for who, today, the Concept Ambience Life is the benchmark for an ideal life. The Botanica, located very next to the Botanical Garden, adds another enchanting chapter to Concept Ambience's book of fine living. In a sprawling 7.5 acres plot are coming up over 200 condominiums ranging between 3,500 and 6,700 square feet of built-up area, spread over 6 towers of 14 levels each. A 3-level parking space in every tower takes convenience to a new high. Breathtaking views, perfect natural ventilation and refreshing breeze are year-long bonuses for those who choose to live in this private commune. The Botanica, like many other Concept Ambience projects, takes eco-chic seriously. The living areas are fully surrounded by landscaped gardens, enhanced by water bodies and fountains. Terrace gardens bring nature practically indoors for every condo. Wastewater management with zero discharge, supported by a water harvesting system, are thoughtful additions. The Botanica also deserves favor for its excellent location in Gachibowli, the latest blue-chip business district of Hyderabad, rubbing shoulders with an illustrious set of neighbors. A fully appointed spa and wellness center, a Medicare point with doctors' consulting rooms, a business center with professional workstations, and secretarial services push up the livability aspect a vital few notches higher. And then there is the after-sales property management service bouquet that takes the brunt of everyday maintenance problems. An initiative that was pioneered and perfected by Concept Ambience. The Botanica, an Eden of happiness you can only live and experience.